It is 2025. We are drowning in content these days. Videos, reels, shorts. Every scroll feels like an explosion of colors and clickbait. But thumbnails? They are the gatekeepers. They decide if you get the views or get ignored. Welcome to my first YouTube video on this channel. I am here to talk about design, especially thumbnail design, and teach you something, but also show you my journey with my personal brand. But now, let's dive into the top thumbnail trends you need to know for 2025. Less is more, of course, but here's the twist. In 2025, it's all about intentional minimalism. Think bold, clean layouts with one striking detail that pulls you in. Look at this thumbnail, for example. Just one focus with a bold title. It's so clean, but it screams to you, click me. Channels like Matt Devela or Kurzgesagt have mastered this. So next time when you are creating a thumbnail, don't add more. Remove what doesn't matter. Of course, colors grab attention, but this year, 2025, it's all about dynamic colors, gradients, neon pops, and even subtle motion effects. Imagine a thumbnail that slightly glows or moves when someone is scrolling over it. It is like thumbnails are coming alive, vibrant and alive, and impossible to ignore. The trick is to keep it balanced. Don't overwhelm, but don't blend in. Forgot the exaggerated oh my god faces on thumbnails. 2025 is all about authenticity, storytelling, and real expressions that match the story of your video. Authentic faces connect with viewers. It makes them understand all the feelings of the creator. So next time when you're creating a thumbnail, just think about what emotions are in my video. What is the main emotion I want to share to my viewers? Text isn't that, it's just smarter now. The trend? Minimal impact text, 1 to 3 words maximum, styled to complement the image rather than overpower it. Like all these thumbnails. See how the words are blending within the scene, like it's a part of the photo? Trust me, that is what works 2025. Cinematic thumbnails are becoming more trendy every day. They're evolving from static images to a mini story. Every element should hint of what's inside the video. Like this thumbnail from a travel vlogger. It's not just a shot of a beach, for example. It's a whole setup of the adventure. Think about your next thumbnail like a movie trailer. What's inside the video and what story do you want to tell to your viewers? And that's it. 5 trends that will dominate thumbnails in 2025. Whether you're a creator or a designer, these tips can take you to the next level. If you found this video useful, hit subscribe because this is just the beginning. I will be breaking down more design secrets, personal tips, and will share my whole journey with you. Let's make 2025 the year of creative thumbnails. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.